How to skip school. You don't. See that question up there? Let's solve it. This is NH3 plus H2SO4 to give NH42SO4. And that's ammonia plus sulfuric acid to give you ammonium sulfate. We can see that the ammonium, which is the NH4, there are two of it, right? So definitely I'm going to have to put two in front of ammonia. I call them different things right now. Ammonium and ammonia. I'm going to have to place a 2 here anyway. Now let's see what we've done. The 2 has made the nitrogen 2, just like this. It has made my hydrogen 6 plus 2, 8. 4 times 2 is already 8, so everything seems to be going well. Sulfate, sulfate, yeah. So that means that this is all balanced. It was like almost too easy. And you want to skip school. School is easy. School is easy. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy.